Good day. Here comes Acro, the latest Android mobile app from Nepton Software Solutions. Now let's see what it is, who is it for, and how it works. Acro is a mobile app that works on any Android platform. So basically, this is for a B2B business model where a business sells its products to another business on credit. So when a sales guy goes to the market for taking sales orders or payments from customers, he has all the information available on his finger point. So the beauty is it's a real-time information. It's a real-time stock. It's a real-time accounts receivable. Now, let's compare this with a manual-based model. A salesman takes orders or payments on a paper, then he has to bring all this back to the base for an accountant to input the same into the business software. So it's a repetition of job. It's a wastage of resource. On Acro, you do all this on a single point, then update it with the software through online. So that's the beauty, all at a single point. No repetition of job, it's simple, quick, and real time. Now let's see how Acro work. The first screen prompts you for a login ID and password. Give your password. Login. Now, this is the main menu. The synchronize button is for getting the required data from an online server to your mobile. So just click on it. So it's started copying the data from online server to your mobile. Done. 437 records being copied. Now, to take a sales order or a payment from the customer, it is the order and receipt. So just click order and receipt. So this is your customer registered on your business software. So let me select one customer. Now I have two options. Either I can take a sales order or I can take a payment. Let's see how to take a sales order first. Just click on place an order. So these are my item list for my business software. So for instance, if this customer needs white forest and black forest, you can choose the product there. Let me type it. Okay. So all the vital information is available here. You have the product name, you have the price per unit, and you have the number of units available on the warehouse. So the beauty of this is or the advantages of doing this online is you have the real-time stock available. So in this instance, you got only 501 units available. If the customer needs more than that, you can say, well, I got only 501 at the moment. I can ship you the rest later. So the information out there and it's real time. Okay, so in this instance, let me take an order of 100 units. Add to cart. I'm taking another product which has 384 units on the warehouse. Let me just take 25. Add to cart. So this is my summary of my sales order. Then just click order now. So the moment you click order now, the moment you save this data, what Acro do is it just update the online server. So if another user places an order for the same product, he will get an updated stock figure. Now the customer needs an acknowledgement, so you can give it either through email or SMS. Let's see how the SMS looks like. Go to the SMS. So you got all the information there. You have the customer name, you have the sales order number, you have the date on which the sales order is placed, the total value of your sales order, and the user who has taken your order and the company name. So all you need to do is just to give the mobile number of your customer, then put enter, it's done. If the customer prefers to get it through email, you have an email option there. Just click email. So the sales order attach it to this email in a PDF format. Okay, so all you got to do is just to give the email ID of your customer, send. It's done. Now let's see how to take payment for the customers. Let's go back to the first main menu. Click order and receipt. Let me select another customer. Okay, so pay the bill. Now this takes me to a statement of account. So I'm in a position to tell the customer every details of his outstanding amount. In this instance, the customer has to pay 13,450. So I can say, well, this is the date of invoice, this is the invoice number, and this is the amount. So the customer agreed to pay only 3,000. I can just put 3,000 there. Just pay the bill. That's confirmation that your account ledger is updated. The customer need an acknowledgement, so you have to give through SMS or email. Let's see, SMS. So you have your receipt number, which is unique. Then you have the customer name, the amount he paid, and the invoice against which this money is being allocated. And on top of that, you got your balance amount in your account after making this payment. So the customer knows how much he's owed to the company after making this payment. So all you have to do is just to give the customer mobile number there, click send, it's gone. If the customer needs this through email, just search email. Your receipt is attached to the email as PDF. Just click send, it's done. So that's it. That's the two tasks you can do with the Acro Touch. Now, at the day end, if the user wants to know how much cash he has collected today from the field, so you just go to the receipt report. In our instance, it's only one because we have done only one example. If the user has taken collection from 20 customers, all those 20 will be displayed here. So you got the date there, the customer name, the total amount collected from him, then you have the customer ID, and you have the receipt number. So the only thing he needs to do is just count his cash and tally with this report. It's done. Now, if the user wants to know how many items he has placed, so you can just go to the sales order report. In your instance, again, it's only one example, so it's one. If there's a 50, all the 50 will be displayed here. So you got the date, you got the customer name, you got the sales order value, you got the customer ID, and you got the sales order number there. So all in one place. Just one report that shows you the total number of sales order taken on that day. Now go back to the main menu. So after the business being done, at the day end, what the user has to do is he has to upload the data to the main server. So just click the upload. Done. Which means your business software is now updated. So there is no papers, there is no repetition of the same job. It's simple and it's quick. Thank you for watching our video. Please leave your comments or feedback below. Have a great day.